Good. So now that we've shot blasted everything, we've vacuumed everything to pick up any loose bits of debris, and then Lee is now taping everything out. So this is where we're going to be painting up to. It goes down like this. You can see it looks a little bit matte. But once we've got the sealer over the top, this will have a glossy sort of sheen to it. Here it is with the white now painted. Looking pretty good, huh? This will be ready in about 25 minutes, then we'll fit a sealer over the top, make it nice and shiny, and then peel up the tape, and that'll be all complete.